Ito live. Ang lamig. Namela. Saan yung Masha and the Bear? Iihi na ako. Asa na? Oh, nasaan na? Masha and the Bear. Ay, Melo. Asa si Kuya?
Where's Masha and the Bear?
Malay ko. Saan yun? Asa yung Masha and the Bear? Suot mo yung ano, anak? Malamig. Carnival to eh. It's Kuya. Ewan. We will ask. Masha and the Bear show. Yun doon. Daming tao.
I don't know. I don't know.
Saan? Kumantin.
Why do I see
Ewan ko. Ano di? Naiihi ako. Wala nga. Lakad-lakad, exercise. Ang daming tao, wala nga.
ask natin, Mom. Ask where was it?
Dito ba talaga yon?
Hindi. Yeah, it was.
Baka naman sa ano yun. Sa Nasim Garden yun. Ha? Food court? Food court?
Elmo, Melo.
Halika dito, anak. Saan si Melo? Melo! Melo! Come here. Dito, anak.
Mata, in the with these.
Yeah, maybe it's here. Ah, papi. Papi yan eh. Puppy dog. Ah, ito. There's sila. Ano? Parrot. Bird. Parrot.
Mom, hanapin mo, Mom. Let's go na, let's go.
Si Melo. Yes. Monkey. Yeah. See? Hello, what's that? What's that, anak? Wow, monkey. Careful. Don't touch it, anak.
What is this one? What is this, mommy?
Monkey. Yung parrot, anak. Ayun, chow chow.
Is this a monkey?
Melo. Ito may maraming birds. Oh.
Look at this monkey.
Ayan, chow chow.
Chow Chow can make. Mommy, mommy, pow. Mommy, can you tell na, mommy?
Oh, halika na. Halika na, yun. Mag-i-start na yun. 8 o'clock na. Hihihi mo na ako. Ang daming tao.
Mommy, that's the man of the monkey.
Mag-toilet lang si mami na. Teka, mag-toilet lang si mami.
But you see a real monkey?
Oo. Careful.
Good, did you see a real monkey? And what? Good, did you see a real monkey, bro? Oh my God! I don't come up in the ground.
Okay, wait lang. Wait lang. Melo. Elmo, mate.